Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. So for those of you who are new, my name is Christiane, otherwise known here as IHeartAirbrush. And today we are going to be getting into how I created this beautiful Thanksgiving inspired half cut crease using all airbrush makeup, of course. I did go ahead and post a video, a short clip video as I was trying to come up with this look just before Thanksgiving, as well as posted a photo of the process, of course. And I did say in the video that I did want to go ahead and refine my attempt at this Thanksgiving inspired look, and that is exactly what I have done today. So if you are interested in knowing how I airbrush this Thanksgiving inspired half cut crease look, then please keep on watching. Oh, and also if you notice, there's a little variation between both of the looks. That's a little tidbit for the next one, okay? Because your girl's gonna show you a how-to too, okay? And that's what this is all about. So fear not, if you do want to go ahead and learn two pretty simple methods of doing achieving this look, just stay tuned for the next video, because that one is definitely going to be going up shortly after this one. And I'm so excited to share what I've literally been trying to accomplish and practice for the past year and a half. Like, dude, like honestly, like it was just this weird rocky road of trying to figure out, and like every single idea that popped in my head on how I could do it, like I literally would try and fail, try and fail, try and fail. And it's not so much fail, it's like I would try it and I would do it and it would be okay, but not that great. And it wasn't always that easy. And I wanted to make sure that whatever I ended up sharing with you guys was going to give you results, and it's going to be an easy avenue to get the results that you wanted. So finally figured that out. I'm super happy, and I will be sharing that with you in the next video. So without further ado, let's get on with how I created this look, shades, and all of that. So you know you're going to get some swatches, and then we'll dive into the look. So these are the shades that I used to achieve this look today. The first thing you want to do is just balance out the lid. So here I'm applying a base of Dinair Neutralizing Camouflage shade Honey Beige. Then I'm going to go in with Dinair Matte shade Wasabi and apply that all over the lid like so. Then I'm just going to define the outer V using the shadow shield just to create that nice sharp edge. And then of course use the air to dry. Then I'm going to go in with Dinair Glamour shade Medium Brown, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply that to the transition area just at the edge of where I applied Wasabi. Then I'm also going to dust it on the lower lash line like so. Next, I'm going to take my custom cut stencil, and here just use the half cut, and I'm going to go ahead and fill that using Dinair Opalescent shade 24 Carat. You want to make sure when you layer using stencils, you layer, then use the air to dry, and then layer some more, use the air to dry before you remove the stencil. Voila! Then I'm just going to go ahead and blend out the edge of the outer part of that cut just by using the edge of my stencil like so, and just spraying lightly. And then I'm just going to go ahead and redefine the edges by realigning it just to get that nice smooth curve. Then I'm going to go in with Dinair Opalescent shade Pyrite and apply that to the tear duct as a highlight, as well as the brow bone. Okay, now once we're done highlighting, I'm just going to go ahead and take Dinair Glamour Jet Black and apply my airliner like so. Here I'm just using the Cat Eye N stencil, applying the line, the Cat Eye N, and then dusting a little on the outer corner of the lower lash line. And yes, bald spots. This is texture hooded eye problems, okay? So make sure when you're airbrushing on the lid, if there are a lot of lines, if you have hooded eyes, or there's a lot of texture, to make sure you're spraying lightly and using the air to dry the layers in between. That way you can avoid this problem entirely. So that's exactly what I'm doing here. I'm just drying the layers as I spray lightly each time to go ahead and fill in those gaps. And this is the finished look, all cut, beat, and complete. Yes, honey. Alright, so this is the finished look. I absolutely love how it came out. It's definitely way more refined than my original look that I did on Instagram just before Thanksgiving. There are some variations from this look to that look, so if you haven't seen that one, I definitely recommend going ahead and check it out. Just follow me on the gram, okay? Tag IHeartAirbrush. I will have the link to my profile down in the description box below. But yes, you will definitely see that instead of Pyrite as the cut, I used 24 karat just because I felt like it popped a little bit more. I did keep Pyrite in the mix, and I used it as a tear duct highlight as you just saw, as well as a brow bone highlight because I absolutely love that shade. It's so beautiful. And yeah, so I really love how this look turned out. I hope you found this video inspiring, of course, because we love to inspire you here. That's really what like my main passion is to just help you along your journey and inspire you to push your own boundaries with airbrush makeup like I am doing every day. So remember, if you did like this video, you found it helpful or inspiring, to give it a big thumbs up. It helps me out a ton. And as always, remember to subscribe to my channel if you are not already subscribed. And if you are subscribed, or if you choose to subscribe today, make sure to hit that little bell icon right next to the subscribe button and turn on your notifications. That way you get the quickest updates anytime I upload a video. And I hope to see you all in my next video, because that is going to be the how to get cut crease, half cut crease. 2 different ways. Super easy, super simple. You'll definitely be able to pick it up super quick. And I'm so excited to share with you because it really took me a really long time, almost a year and a half, of trying to figure out the easiest avenue to get a half cut crease, or even a cut crease, or just like that faux glitter liner look. Like honestly, like so many fails, so many tries, so many fails. Like it wasn't necessarily a whole fail, like it could have been better, it could have been improved, it could have been easier to achieve, and that's why I just kept pushing and pushing and pushing. Now I finally found a really easier way, and I'm so excited to share it with you. So make sure you tune into that one. Of course, subscribe, turn on your notifications, that way you don't miss it. All right, thank you so much again for watching, and I hope to see you all in my next one. Bye.